Hey guys, this is Food by Faith Garden to Table and welcome to my backyard. So today, now that the sun is kind of broken just for a few minutes, I'm going to show you just how simple it is to clean my omelet eglu chicken coop. Let's get started. So first, what we do is actually push the feet down of the chicken coop. Let me show you how simple that is. You just push it. And it lifts the legs up, it lifts the wheels up as well as lowers them down. So right now we want to lift the legs back up. I have already pulled it forward. You can see where it was. I have water draining there right now. I have one chick that has decided to get out, so I'll get her back in. But we roll it forward. I'll probably pull it forward just a little bit more. I have my Coop and compost odor neutralizer. I have my shredded paper. All we do is take our back of our door, you see on the inside of there, and we're going to clean that out, but it's very, very simple. Let's get to it. Here is the knob for opening and closing. So the door is actually now closed. We're going to pull the back of the coop off. We're going to pull these out. See if I can do it with one hand, and I'm going to dump them into my wheelbarrow. And so this time we don't really need to spray because I just sprayed a few days ago. I'll just wipe that chicken poop off. You see that there's nothing on the bottom of the coop rack. We're going to place that right back inside. We're going to put just a little shredded paper. And I use shredded paper instead of wood chips because, of course, shredded paper is free. And you see where I'm kind of walking and you hear the sloshing of the water. That's because I need to readjust my soaker hose. So we're going to pull this section out just a little bit. Attach the top portion to it. And guys, this is me doing all of this with one hand on the phone and one hand on the chicken coop. So if I can do it with one hand, you guys can do it as well. So let's make sure everything is lined up. So guys, I had this part not on correctly, so that's why I had to take a pause. So inside the area here where they're actually supposed to lay the eggs, that is where we're going to put some really soft, nice amount of paper. They're not at egg laying stage as of yet. But guys, just as simple as that. Put your backpack on and your igloo is clean.